Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis for gold on the 25th of June 2024. Let's start with, sorry, let me move this out of the way and yes, start with Forex Factory. What kind of news we have? So we got 130 CAD news, which may affect the gold price as well because CPI is important news. And we got the USD have medium impact 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. we have one heavy impact and one medium impact. So these are the news. And now let's jump on to technical analysis. Monthly, there's a rejection, multiple time rejection, 1, 2, 3. The third candle is rejecting. Weekly is rejection and it's consolidation. Market is moving in between this, in between this area. Right, that's in the weekly. And there's rejection in weekly here. And let's see what's gonna happen next week, possibly to the downside, or maybe still ranging here. Let's see, go into daily, what's happening in daily. We can see that there's range in daily as well. And the way the price is moving, looks like gonna break onto the one side in daily. Let's go on to 4 hour. Right. As you can see in 4 hour, that it's possible the market will move to the upside from here. Although we see, although we see that market sharply move to the downside from here, but we have fair value gap here, which was filled, and then we have fair value gap here. It's possible market go at least up to here. So even up to here. So for now, going to smaller time frame. Not so bad. So in 1 hour, you can see that this level has been broken. This trend line has been broken, and but there's a support here. This hasn't been broken yet, so we can still see rejection from here to the bottom top side. And going on 15 minutes and 30 minutes. This is a situation 30 minutes, so it's possibly rejection to the upside. And let's see what the market structure says. So this is the structure level. So if it's broken, next level will be this, then this. So we'll be waiting for this level to be broken for the sell side targets. However, from here, we definitely can expect further move to the upside towards these fair value gaps here. That's the 15 minutes. So market, at the moment, there's quite a bearish trend here, bearish candle. So let's see if it holds this level or not. If not, if we see a good candle go from here, then we can take a long trade here. Otherwise, we will wait for this level to be broken, retest, and take a buy from here. And that would be the best trade, I suppose, because the fair value gap here and momentum, bullish momentum here. Right. I hope this is useful, guys, and I will speak to you very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.